What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I'm Wechi. I'm here to show you guys how to make money on Amazon, how to make money online in 2022. Oh my god, guys, I'm so sorry, not 2022 but 2023. By the way, I'm wishing you guys a happy new year, a healthy year, and I wish you guys make everything happen, everything you wish you could have done in 2022. I hope you guys focus and be able to do it in 2023. That's my wish for you guys. In today's video, I'm gonna talk to you guys about why my Amazon account was deactivated. I don't know why, and I thought it was an error on Amazon because my account health is perfect. I call Amazon and try to figure out why my account was deactivated. The only reason to drop shipping, and I've been doing drop shipping, it's been a while now, so I never have any issue, and I was like, what's the reason behind it? My account was deactivated with drop shipping because I couldn't understand it. I've been doing it for so long. If Amazon was gonna deactivate my account due to drop shipping, they'll be doing it a while back. So for the last product I drop shipping, I bought this product from eBay and then I sent it to the customer. Everything was perfect. It's been like maybe like 2 or 3 weeks. What I did, I go ahead and I spoke to the seller on eBay, and that was my bad, my mistake too. Whenever you're doing whenever you drop shipping a product, let's say drop shipping is basically buying a product from eBay, sell it for the highest price on Amazon. So whenever the customer purchase your item on Amazon, then you go ahead and place your order on eBay. So you want to make sure and tell the seller that this product is drop shipping, I'm sending it to somebody else. Make sure you put my name on the box and do not include any invoice in the box. That was my mistake. So guys, I don't know how the hell I completely forgot. I didn't remember at all. So what I remember I did, I purchased the item, I put the right customer address and the customer name, but I forgot to tell the seller to remove their name so they don't ship the product on their name, and they shouldn't put any invoice regarding where the product is coming from. Basically, that's a third party. That's how Amazon policy is. Amazon policy regarding drop shipping, whenever you drop shipping a product, the customer should never know where the third party is from. So let's say if you drop shipping from eBay, Walmart, and selling on Amazon, Amazon doesn't want you Walmart box or eBay box or something that's mentioned any like eBay, Walmart, Mercury. They want the product to come in straight to you. Or if you drop shipping the product, make sure all the information on the box, or the name on the box, or name or your store name. Never put somebody else on the box. Never. If you drop shipping, make sure you tell the person like, I'm a third party seller drop shipping this product here, I want you to send this product and I want you to put this name and this name. So that's exactly what happened to me, guys. I completely forgot to tell the seller to do not mention his name. Instead of his name, he should put my store name or my name. So that was my mistake. So that's what happened. So I don't know how Amazon find out. If a customer complain about it, I don't know. Or because what happened is, let's say if the customer buying this product from Amazon and then they receive like a delivery from eBay, and the box say, oh, this product is shipping from eBay and whatever in the address. So, and the customer will be confused. I bought this product from Amazon, why is it mentioned in eBay? You know, those type create like a confusion for the customer. I know, like for me personally, sometimes I buy product, they come into a eBay box or into Amazon box. That doesn't mean this product was shipped to Amazon. Sometimes the seller, they will just have a box that say Walmart on them, and they don't know, they'll just ship it into the Walmart box. You know, sometimes this happen. You know, that doesn't mean you didn't do it right, but sometimes mistake happen. So I go ahead and I spoke to the seller, and the seller told me here's the name I put on the order and the box, and he put like a eBay stickers telling the customer, thank you for shopping with us on eBay, here a discount and whatever if you want to shop more. Oh my god, can you believe that was my mistake, guys. That's the reason why my Amazon account was deactivated. The way I go with the process, how Amazon wants you to do is deactivated. They want you to submit an appeal and telling them what your plan, it's what's the action you're gonna take for this error not repeat again. So that's what I did. I'm still waiting on them. So they answered my first appeal, and they said it wasn't enough information, because at that time I didn't know what was the issue, why the why the account was suspended. So now I know the information. I go ahead and read the policy and my appeal. I also tell them I read the appeal and I took the time in to understand the policy. So now everything is on God's hand. So hopefully I get my account back. If not, I'm just gonna have to do something else, I'm just gonna have to do something else, that's life. It's either like we create one, which Amazon doesn't want, because if they find out you create another account with even though if you use the same address, they'll still find out you had the old account suspended. They most likely gonna suspend this one, so you have to be very careful. So my first thing is trying to get my account back, and then after we'll go from there, because I have a lot of inventory, guys. I'm like, I have so many inventory. So that's why, guys, I just wanted to keep you guys updated on why I haven't uploaded. I've been dealing with this. So make sure you guys subscribe, like this video, and comment down below if you have any question. And guys, please subscribe and comment if you have any question. Comment if you want to say anything. I love your comment. This keep me going. So peace, guys. I'll see you guys on my next video.